Let's learn phrasal verb. Kickabout. Phrasal verb. Listen. Phrasal verb, kickabout.
Discutir algo informalmente, passar tempo sem fazer muito, vagando, tratar algo ou alguém sem muito cuidado, chutar algo de um lado para outro.
Kickabout. Well, the evidence
at all.
Ratting, a great method of vermin control and as good as a five-a-side kickabout any day.
The kick on whether or not I hit the target. I judge the kick about 3/4 of a second before.
You can stick on Persona 5 and kick about Japan for a while. You can.
And there's always a good kick about what the next disaster is around the corner.
And they didn't kick about it.
Go on, have a little kick about that. Go on. Go on, Tom, you show me.
A quick kickabout can play football. How big does the pitch?
India is on a huge kick about green minerals. China.
Friday night kickabout with some really friendly faces. You can even make your own signal.
We kicked the idea about during lunch break yesterday. They kicked the proposal about before reaching final agreement. Friends kicked several options about during the planning session. The committee kicked the issue about for several weeks. Workers kicked new suggestions about during the morning meeting. Teenagers kicked about near the shopping center after school. We kicked about downtown looking for something fun today. They kicked about the park enjoying warm afternoon weather. Students kicked about outside waiting for classes to begin. Tourists kicked about the town without any fixed destination. The old bicycle was kicked about behind the garage. His ideas were kicked about without proper consideration today. The documents got kicked about and became badly damaged. Their concerns were kicked about instead of respected properly. The ball was kicked about across the dusty field. Children kicked the can about until sunset arrived yesterday. Boys kicked the football about during recess at school. Players kicked the ball about before starting practice today. Kids kicked a plastic bottle about across the playground. Let's learn slang. Hang in there, better days are coming very soon. You must tough it out until the end of this. We will push through all these obstacles together as a team. Keep pushing and never give up on your dreams. After losing, he managed to bounce back quickly and win. She will snap back to her usual self very soon. I found a second wind and finished the race strongly. After the break, the whole crowd fired back up. I feel completely recharged after sleeping for 8 hours. Running on empty, I need coffee to function properly. I feel burnt out and need a few days off work. Pushing it too hard may cause a serious injury. You are overdoing it. Please slow down a little bit. Full send. We are committing 100% to this. Just send it and do not worry about the consequences. Go for it, you have absolutely nothing to lose now. take the shot and try to score the winning goal. Shoot your shot. You might get a positive answer. Make it happen. We are counting on your success today. Make your move before your opponent has a chance. Step on it. We are going to be late for sure. Pick up the pace so we finish the project early. Get after it and complete all your tasks today. Hustle up and work harder to reach your objectives. Let's roll. The car is waiting outside for us. We just need to roll with it and adapt quickly. Keep rolling. Success requires constant and steady effort. Just ride with it and enjoy the unexpected journey. Go with the flow and do not resist the changes. With cruise control on, we are progressing without stress. The team is hitting stride and playing wonderfully together. Our campaign is catching momentum every single day. The project is picking up steam after the initial delay. Full speed ahead. We cannot afford to waste time. We are moving at top speed to meet our goals. Pedal to the metal. We need to arrive by noon. He has zero chill and gets angry very easily. The kids are Wilden at the playground right now. Stop acting up and behave yourselves properly. You are trippin' if you think that plan will work. Why are you buggin' over such a tiny little issue? He's tweakin' about the meeting schedule again today.